Founded in 1973, Milltronics has over 40 years' experience building controls and machines. Headquartered in Waconia, Minnesota, we've installed more than 12,000 machines for customers worldwide. Now we're pleased to present to you the new Milltronics VM series. These affordable vertical machining centers are designed for a wide variety of applications. Available as 4 different models, they all feature the new Milltronics 9000 control. Microsoft Windows based, the 9000 is easy to use with their conversationally running toolpaths created with a CAM system. Large touchscreen and intuitive software makes programming or navigating the controls simple and quick. And the 64-bit Intel i5 dual-core processor means it's fast. With a solid-state 120 gig hard drive and 4 gig of RAM, it easily runs even the largest programs. Choose from 4 different sizes: the compact 2515, the versatile 3018, the popular 4020, or the long travel 5020. Whatever your choice, you'll get more performance and standard features for the price. A control packed with functions the other guys charge extra for, a 10,000 RPM Big Plus spindle, a swing arm tool changer, and more. All included for less than you'd expect. Whether your application requires heavy cutting or a bit more finesse, the VM series delivers. At Milltronics, we use a machine design process that's ISO certified. Quality components such as Yaskawa Sigma 5 servos, industrially rated CPUs, robust Big Plus spindles, preloaded double nut ball screws, and oversized linear guides wedge locked to a machine shoulder all ensure accurate, rigid, and reliable machines built to last. Before your VM leaves our factory, its geometry is verified with a laser interferometer, a ball bar test is performed, and the machine is cycled for at least 36 hours. Maybe best of all, the Milltronics Support One service program means your machine will be installed by a factory-trained technician to ensure safe and reliable operation. Visit us at milltronics.com or call us for more information. Milltronics USA. Let's invent.